Hello friends, and welcome to Adam's Farmhouse Kitchen. Today on our show we're going to be making my famous brioche strawberry stuffed French toast, so stay tuned. For over 145 years, the heart of my family's farmhouse has been the kitchen. It's where stories, food, and traditions have been passed down through generations. Join me as we create new memories, one dish at a time. Welcome to Adam's Farmhouse Kitchen. Hello friends, welcome back, and we're going to be making some French toast now. Not any French toast, my brioche French toast stuffed with strawberries. So, for the batter, we have here in this bowl, we have 2 eggs, a half a cup of heavy cream, and we have 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, as well as 1 vanilla bean that we have scraped and put the pod seeds in here. And you can see that in the chantilly cream episode, how we split that vanilla bean and used it. So we have that in here as well. And in the dry ingredients, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We have 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and a pinch of salt. So we're going to add that to the batter. And I'm going to set this over to the side so we don't make a mess out of everything. And then we're just going to gently mix this into our batter here. Oh, it smells delicious. Smells heavenly. It's almost like eggnog. All right, so we have that mixed up now. And in this skillet, we have actually 2 tablespoons of butter and probably about a quarter cup of any type of canola oil will work. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the fire on this skillet. We want it good and hot when we fry this French toast. So we're going to let that heat up there for just a minute. And I'm going to grab something to turn the toast with when the time comes. So you want to batter these brioche pieces. I've put some sliced strawberries right in the middle, and you kind of have to press it together a little bit there like that. And what we're going to do is let this get good and hot, and we're going to put it down on probably a medium heat there at first, because when we put this in, it's just going to sort of suck it up. So we're going to dip our French toast right here into the batter mixture, and that looks delicious already. And we'll let some of that excess sort of just come off of that like so. And we're going to put that in the skillet to fry. And we'll do this other piece as well. Oh, it does smell delicious. And it's going to absorb all of that batter. So, do that. And we'll put that one in there to fry. Probably take a couple minutes on each side, and we'll be back here in a second to take a look at the finished product, so stay tuned. Alright, well, our French toast, it's starting to look really good, and I'm going to check it here just to make sure it's browning and it looks perfect. We're going to go ahead and flip that over, see how beautiful golden brown that is. And we'll just give it a little press there. And we're going to let that finish for just a second. And while that is cooking, I'm actually going to get a spoon here for the chantilly cream. We're going to use that, a dollop on the side, for our gorgeous French toast. And this is not going to take too long. We're actually almost done. Alright, so we're going to turn that off now. And we're going to take off our French toast. And we're going to actually put it on this cutting board. And we're going to let it cool for just a minute or two. And then we'll be back, and I'll show you how to present it. Stay tuned. All right, well, we're back now, and we've got our beautiful French toast. Just look at how golden brown that is. And what I'm going to do to present it is I'm going to take this, and I'm going to cut it right into like this. And we have this beautiful flow blue dish. And we're going to put a piece like that, and a piece like that. Isn't that beautiful? And then what we're going to do is we're going to give it a little drizzle of real maple syrup. Just like that. And a little dollop of fresh chantilly cream right over the top. And a little sprig of mint. And there you have it. Look at that. Beautiful French toast. I know your significant other is going to love this. So, enjoy.